miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near, peaking around 1:55 p.m. Tremont around 2:05 p.m. Morton and Mackinac around 2:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Groveland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 25 and 31. Interstate 474 near mile marker 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 99 and 103.